Hi guys, and in this video, I want to tell you about a very cool and free plugin for Adobe After Effects, in which you can create various neon frames, fire effects, and other interesting effects. And first, you need to follow the link in the description of this video and download the SABER plugin. This plugin is available for both Windows and macOS, and then I'll show you how to make just such an animation using this plugin. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition first. We leave the name of the composition by default, select the black background color, and click OK. I inserted a prepared picture of the shield for our project, and then I drag this picture into our composition. Since our picture of the shield is black and the background of our composition is also black, we see such a picture. It's okay, we'll fix it now. Next, we need to create a background layer. Next to our image layer, we click the right mouse button and go to a new, solid. We leave the default settings and click OK. Drag our picture onto the background layer. After that, we have to create a mask of our shield image. In the top menu, we click the layer. Auto trace. We leave everything as it is and click OK, and we have created masks of our picture. Now we have to copy our masks and paste them into the background layer. Now we need to apply our plugin to the background layer. To do this, go to the Effects and Presets tab, right and search SABER. Select our plugin and drag it to the background layer. We see that our plugin is applied to the background layer, and then we go to the plugin settings of this layer. Open Customize Core, and in the Core Type tab, select Layer Masks. After that, open the Render Settings menu and look for Composite Settings and select Transparent there. Now I delete the layer with masks in the picture. After that we get this result. Slightly move the sliders for the brightness settings of the glow of our neon picture. And a little more. Enough, I think it turned out very well. But the coolest thing about this plugin is that it has presets of various effects that we will now apply to make it look like in my animation. Looking for the name of the velocity preset. Here is what he is. And further, in the preset settings, we customize to your taste. Great. Next, I will create a text layer. I choose the font Bodoni Ornaments and press the letter Q on the keyboard key, insert such a flower. To pull out our flower in the center of the shield, I select the text layer and in the transform, position menu I move it to the right place. And now you need to do the same actions as with the shield. Create a background layer and a layer mask. And in order not to repeat, I will speed up this process. Select a preset from the list, a preset called Core, and move the preset settings sliders for the best result. It turned out great in my opinion. And at this stage, I finish my video. Thanks everyone for watching. Write your divine comments, ask questions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. Bye everyone.